Recently, many clients asked how to assemble rotary dimple for toilet seat. With this question, let's check about it. Step 1. Dimple put-in screw housing. Step 2. Insert shaft to the hole accordingly. Step 3. Fix the screws. If the dimple size is not suitable for your toilet seat, we also can design customized solution for you. Let's check the performance. Soft coating mechanism, keep motion gentle and safe. Pair rotary dimples can work for 50,000 cycles, which is equivalent to around 10 years. There are hundreds of models in our factory, which are used to many industries, such as home appliance, sanitary, smart home, and automobiles. For more information, welcome to visit our website. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.